Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Tricknology, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to check your hard drive status. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to go to your start menu and type over there cmd. Now right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. After that click on yes. Once you have opened command prompt window, you have to put some command over there. Command is chkdsk then space your drive letter. If you don't know your drive letter, then just go to your my computer, and after that here is your drive letter. As you can see, C D E F G I in my case. So suppose I want to scan this drive like G or I, so I have to put over there G and very close. So as you can see, here is showing like 0 bad sector. That means everything is fine. So if I will scan like C drive, then you have to put over there C, then semicolon, then press enter, and it will take some time scan my C drive. The next one is you have to go to your start menu once again and open cmd. And after that you have to put some command over there to check your hard drive status. The command is wmic, then press enter. Once you have go to this wmic root CLI mode, you have to put over there disk drive, then gate status. Now press enter and it will showing you like status okay or something like me. Then that means it is okay. Also you can check from your ms info. For that you need to go to your start menu and type over there ms info, then 32. Once you have put this command over there, you can see one system information icon is showing over there. So you have to click on that icon, and after that you have to expand components from the left side corner. Now expand storage. Now click on disk. Once you have clicked on disk, you will get all the information about your hard drive on your right side corner. So here is all my details over there. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.